process launching CIT. What is this CIT and why I cannot access? Actually, I am unable to check the device and device security. Just I have updated Google security on this page. I need to find out actually. Device name, lock screen, updates. Where is updates? About phone. Here, security update. Android 15 fine. Uh, where was that? Certification. There is. Mm, mm, model Android version. I'm already a developer. OS version. OS version. No need to. You are already a developer. Snapdragon. This is going to show that memory is extended. Kernel version. CIT. Launching CIT. Even still, I am not able to. Yes, there are no apps to update. Fine, it's already updated. Hmm. Yes, from here I have got this update actually. So I need to go to the Android system update actually. This actually update. Check for updates. There is no updates. I would like to take a screenshot. Fine. Then back. This is security status. Find device on Google Play Protect is also updated. So Play Protect is also there. Google Play system update. 1 July 2015. I am going to checking for system. System is up to date. I would like to have a screenshot of this also. So play system update and play protect update and also security update. Okay. So all updates are there. I need to find USB debugging. USB. I want to uh, connect it with yeah, this actually it was not there. Debugging, USB debugging. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's connect it with USB and then try to use Android. Even wireless debugging is also there. Probably it's better. Pair device. Actually, I'm going to. Okay, one second. Always allow on network on this network. That thing is going to change also. Okay, I have probably now I need to close this, cancel USB debugging. Okay, I am stopping USB and wireless debugging. Where is the wireless debugging? Yeah, I have installed via USB. Let it be there as of now. So I would like to take a screenshot of this and also take a screenshot of this USB debugging, and here also wireless debugging. Okay, so as of now I am closing the video. Subscribe, like, and if you want this type of videos and some technical know-hows, thank you.